You know, when you approach an elevator in a building, you go to that elevator, you press the button, you get on, and you really don't think about the mechanics of it. You know that elevator is taking you to the floor that you pressed. And that's how this transit system, that's how I want to see this transit system run. When you approach that bus stop and you look at where you're supposed to be going, you get on that bus, that bus, and you don't have to think about anything else. You know you're going to be on time, you know the bus operator is going to be courteous, and it's going to be automatic basically for you. So that's the type of system that we're trying to design here. But, you know, I would just encourage the folks just to try transit. You'll see that it's stress-free. You'll see that it's more economical. You'll save money, okay, and it's friendly to the environment. So all of those benefits, more of us really should be trying transit.